Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Wildcat Bull here. Welcome back to a brand new video for you guys here today. And today guys, we are now on the next season / book of Infinity Train. Woo! And like I've always said, every single time we've done one of these videos, you already know by now. If you guys have not seen my previous episode / season I did on Infinity Train, I'm gonna highly encourage you guys, please go check it out. Yeah guys, we are now here on book 3 of Infinity Train, and wow, I did not think I was gonna be doing this one. I mean, so far guys, I have enjoyed both book 1 and book 2 of Infinity Train, and so far, I still enjoyed book 1 because, I don't know, like I said, I just felt like it was more of a good trio with 1-1, Tulip, and King Atticus. I thought it was an overall great story and a good introduction to Infinity Train. Book 2, which we did last time, I really enjoyed it too, not as much as book 1, but I really enjoyed the characters, Mirror Tulip, Jesse, and Alan Dracula. That season was a bit good. It was also really dark as well because we got to see, you know, some of a lot of dark elements pop up on that book. And yeah guys, honestly those two books were really dope and I really enjoyed them. Today guys, we are going to be doing book 3 of Infinity Train. Apparently for my friends who've actually seen the series, they're waiting for book 4, which by the way, I will be doing book 4 coming up soon. I believe it's going to come on the 15th, so whenever it does arrive, don't worry, we'll be doing the next reaction videos on that. So apparently book 3 is going to be revolving around the Apex group. If y'all remember in book 2, we saw 2 of the leaders, Grace and Simon. Apparently this is going to be about those 2, so hopefully we get to see what happens from there. And yeah, I'm all for it guys. I'm very excited to see book 3 today. Hopefully episode 1 is dope. And yeah, besides that, enough of my talking, let's get into the video and let's check out the first episode of book 3 of Infinity Train. Here we go! Yeah, see, the Apex group. So these are all passengers too that were on the train as well. It's interesting. These guys pretty catchy here. He goes, Jesse Cosette. Huh? Yeah, it's interesting. Hey, Jesse. I said Jesse's name in it. Yeah. You know, carts and whatnot, try to get the numbers in the middle. Which is pretty fucked up, personally. Bro, they don't need to get this far.
Already have socks and sandals.
Oh my god, bro. These people do not care.
Give me a new nickname. I was 10. My mom thought they were practical.
Ha! Never trust an adult. She ever heard of shoes?
Dude, they're like murdering these people, bro.
These shoes you speak of.
Oh.
Nice combo. Guess you win again. Knee pads.
Knee pads.
You're just jealous I know how to make practical look good.
No, what are you doing?
What are they doing? Dude, what the hell?
Time to go.
This is gonna be a dark season. Oh, they're like murdering all of the people in the cart, bro.
It's locked. Another dumb train puzzle.
Take a bow.
Okay, I guess they got in quicker. Oh man, this is gonna be a dark season. Yeah. Also, a good way to cue in the intro. Alright. And so this episode is called The Musical Cart.
This is going in my personal stash where only my favorite gifts go. Just don't tell the others. I wouldn't want them to feel bad, you know? Mm-hmm.
What is it? Light bulbs?
Wow, Alex, you're so good at presents. Don't tell anybody, but I'm gonna put only these things in my personal stash of favorites.
You liar! You liar!
Please help! Oh no! You're one of them!
Oh my God.
Lucy, hold that no.
What?
What are you doing?
What?
So I can keep the light person?
No way!
Oh my God, bro! What
Oh,
the hell?
that's cute. Lucy thinks it's a person. Simon, do you see a person?
All I see is another toy.
What the hell's going on, my guy?
See, Lucy?
These people.
Nothing. Just something to play with when we're bored. And honestly,
Oh.
you're boring me. Let's rent another car.
I'm feeling it. Yeah.
Yeah, because apparently, if I'm mistaken, like, I think they're thinking of that computer, the stewardess or whatever, the one that's following them.
Passengers in the next car should be easy. One more car! One more car! One more car! One more car! One more car!
So all these people have issues that they need to resolve, but we'll have to see. Oh, this is the turtle card. This is the one where Tulip, King Atticus, and Momo were at. Kill the selfish. Oh my God. Dude.
What's happening, Daddy?
Yeah, that's right. Now I'm reassuring my kid, Kevin Jr., not to worry and telling him it'll be okay. Yeah.
Dude.
Well, now they're breaking into my home and taking my novelty apron and second favorite hat. It's not really breaking in when your house has no walls.
That is true.
Breaking in, it's against turtle law, which is like regular law, but for turtles.
God, these Apex group are really, really fucked up. She's very acrobatic, so I'm guessing she might have been a dancer. We saw some of her, like, she was doing some steps. Went up again. Oh, the corgi.
Back to the mall, Apex!
Oh, what happened? I think if I remember, I think one you can't control it. Or you can control, like, which ones need to be fixed and whatnot. Ooh, oh, around his back. What's going on?
Sorry, Madam Secretary, gonna be late again. First, my breakfast is ruined, now the whole world is flying away. Yeah, it's been a bad.
Alright, Grace to save Simon.
Hey,
Hey.
I think I bruised a rib.
don't worry, I got you.
Sure you can carry us both?
Wanna find out?
Yeah, might as well. Ooh. Ooh. Uh-oh! Move, turtle! Oh. Oh, that had to hurt.
Simon?
Oh shit! Gotta grab him. Almost let his ass die.
I owe you one.
Yep.
You owe me $1 million. Also, a new raid mask.
We'll swap it out back at the mall. Can't be that far.
What are they looking for?
What happened? Cars aren't supposed to move if people are inside.
Maybe they conduct. Maybe one found out.
That horrible little robot.
I think the false conductor just made his first move here.
Whoa.
47 cars away.
God damn.
Hey, that's not
Hey, well, this is good. This is how the adventure starts for each episode.
you.
They all get to learn. They all get to learn life lessons. All right. This is the first car, I think. What is this? Okay. Okay, so we have our first episode done with book 3. So far, I'm guessing it's going to be, well, from what we saw here, it's going to be about the Apex group. But specifically, it's going to be on Simon and Grace for, I guess, the duration of book 3. And yeah, I mean, so far, we kind of get a good introduction with them. We kind of see what they do as the, you know, being the leaders of the Apex group. But yeah, as though, so far, episode 1 was pretty dope. So let's hop into episode 2. I like the intro. Okay, I believe this one was called the Jungle Cart, if I'm not mistaken.
Let's see. We have some snack bars, rope, 3 toothbrushes.
1 for the teeth, 2 for the snakes.
I don't even get 1.
All I know is I packed 3.
Baggy of Gorp, Arctic Cowboy brand deodorant for summer sports perspiration.
That's good, because
Yeah.
I don't need your ripeness giving away our position.
Oh, okay, pretty much. Only smell like shit when you're on an adventure.
Aw, I think I'm joking.
What is this?
Threats seem minimal.
Yeah.
Dude, we are the apex. Until then, loosen up. Think of it as us being on leave.
Suck it in, man. They like each other. I ship them. So I'm guessing, I don't know what it's doing. It keeps turning like every time they touch it though. I wonder how old they're supposed to be. They're like in their 20s. So far this animation is really cool. The backgrounds. What? What's going on? Oh. What is that? Oh! Grace almost fell.
Looks like we got no problems.
Oh. Simon's pretty smart. He actually made those. Those are cool. You gotta find the door though to get out of this one.
Yeah, the tops of other trees.
What is that?
I think
I must
found
know.
something.
Oh. Okay.
Clear away. Now.
Oh. Like my guy, come on. This is getting serious.
Whatever it is, you can't ignore it. What do you got?
When encountering a null that cannot be overwhelmed with force,
Let's trap it.
Oh, they're gonna try to capture it. Okay. Damn. Alright. Alright. Let's see what it is.
did we have marshmallows?
Oh, you got it.
It's fine. The trap let us know it's here. Now we can team up and take it down together.
Oh!
Huh?
What was that?
Simon? Simon, where are
I
you?
think it was like an ape. Whoa, that thing's huge. Oh, I got him. Oh, it's like a gorilla or an ape. One of those two. Ooh, we got claw marks. Oh, it's a monkey.
Punishment for being sneaky. The trespassers are given as food to the mighty Tuba.
What the hell? Am I? Oh.
Oh no! Please! I'm not.
Oh, okay. So,
I thought you said there weren't any passengers for
yeah.
this 47.
Where's her number
I
at?
don't know. That's what the number tracker said.
Yeah. Maybe she is
Hi.
another passenger?
We're with the Apex symbol. We
No.
want to make sure you're getting everything you're entitled to from the train. As a passenger, the true conductor gives us...
It's a monkey. Sorry, it's a gorilla with a tuba.
No! You told me we don't hit.
God dang.
My name's Grace.
Grace.
Simon is my friend. What's your friend's name?
Yeah.
This is Tuba.
Be over here.
God dang, that dude's scary. You know, pineapple.
Hazel, do you want to see something cool?
Ooh.
This is my number. Do you have a number?
I do. But yours glows.
Simon, take a look at this.
Wait, what?
That's probably why she didn't scan. The fake conductor was trying to hide her from us, turning off her number.
Oh, she has a number, but it's not glowing.
No, you could come back with us. That way we can teach you all about numbers. Maybe we can get yours to glow like mine does.
Tuba can't come with.
What?
You can't.
What he's trying to say is,
I'm not leaving Tuba.
Hey, let's take him along. We brought other, you know, animals with us. That thing will kill them.
okay,
You're not?
listen, we're all going to the Apex together.
Yeah.
Isn't that exciting?
Tuba!
Let's go.
We're going with Grace and that guy. I'm gonna see more kids. Pack up your stuff. It's the
Yeah.
moment I've dreamed of my whole life.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. He bringing a rock with him about freaking time. Okay. So what did I think of Book 3, Episode 1 and 2 of Infinity Train? Honestly, episodes are dope. Pretty good introduction to our 4 main characters, Simon, Grace, Hazel, and Tuba. I'm guessing these are gonna be the main characters for the rest of Book 3. Yeah, honestly, good introduction for these characters. And I'm kind of, you know, I want to learn a little bit more about the Apex group, how it started, you know, why, you know, this group is attacking carts. I mean, we kind of got a glimpse of what they did in Book 2, but, you know, I want to know how it really, you know, happened. Like, why are they doing this? I also want to know more about the 3 main characters, Simon, Grace, and Hazel. I got a feeling we're gonna get backstories with them as well in the series. But mostly I want to see about Hazel because her number's not glowing. And I got a feeling that maybe something happened when she was on the pod. Maybe her lessons, I don't know, we'll have to figure out, but yeah. I mean, but honestly though, I'm liking this. We have our 4 main characters and yeah. But besides that, I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe. I will be doing more reactions in the future. So if you have anything you want to check out in the future, please let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, this has been your boy, Wildcat Bolt. I'll see you all later.